whatever. So we will give council an opportunity to look at that. I will adjourn this matter out for competency. I was giving what date? October
20th.
They said that the competency hearing was on the 25th. I wasn't given any other information after that.
Say it again.
And I tried to ask him at the last hearing, and he said it would be coming in the mail.
And October 24th, 2024.
Deputy Chief, Warren Brown.
Whoa.
I did nothing.
Whoa.
I did nothing.
Right here. Stay right here.
I did nothing. What did I do?
Stay right here.
I left 2 notes. One for the
Face me. Face me.
Good
And
morning.
don't ever do that again.
I left a piece of paper.
Ever do that again.
It's a piece of paper.
If you come out, you walk to that podium. Am I understood? Am I understood?
Yes, you want.
Go ahead, counsel.
Warren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, being written on behalf of Mr. Amit Ehrenreich. Please state your name for the record.
To ensure justice is made, I will make 5 brief statements and then state my name.
No,
Dana
you will
from the
state
forensic
your
center
name. You
had
will
first
state
met me
your
on
name.
of July 20.
Take him back.
Yet,
Take him back.
7 months
Because take him back. He'll follow the rules or not. Have a good day. We may call you back. We may not. Okay.
So, Your Honor, for the record,
For the record, what?
Mr. Ehrenreich remains incompetent, but I guess that.
Yeah, I know. And I think he technically has to be here. I don't know that he's forfeited the right. Ms. Hughes, are you okay? No, why embarrassed? What are you embarrassed about?
Sorry, I'm totally kind of just overwhelmed. I'm really sorry.
Okay, no, go ahead. She shouldn't be embarrassed by it. Okay, so we all have to be real. Had that been Blanche, he would have been punched. So I'm just saying. I mean, guy would have been tagged out, he'd be down.
Are we going to just pass this and have him come back later?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your name.
Tariq Samar, Tariq Ade.
Okay. All right. What are we doing in this case?
Oh, I'm still waiting for the hearing for the jurisdiction hearing. I put in the
For what?
jurisdiction hearing, put in a motion for a dismissal for lack of jurisdiction.
When did you put that motion in?
It's been, I'm not sure when it was
Did you
filed.
file a written motion?
Yes. I didn't get a receipt or anything. It said they filed it and or at some time. I never.
Have the people received a copy of a motion regarding jurisdiction?
No, in May, the last time a different prosecutor and Your Honor and everybody else was here, there was conversation on the record about the defendant having filed the motion. We're still waiting for the defendant.
Competency. I don't have a competency report.
There's a quote we'd like to quote, Your Honor, in our files. And the quote is about how we will not be addressing this until the competency report is back.
Thank you.
And then it would have to go through his counsel.
And the other thing, okay, so that your counsel, I will give you an opportunity to look at it because I don't know what to make of it. He sent something to the court. Like an attempted to draw a check on the back of a birth certificate and then some notice of adequate assurance for performance and settlement. Whatever. So we will give counsel an opportunity to look at that. I will adjourn this matter out for competency. I was giving what date? October.
October 20th.
They said that the competency hearing was on the 25th. I wasn't given any other information after
Say
that.
it again.
And I tried to ask him at the last hearing, and he said it would be coming in the mail.
And October 24th, 2024, 9 a.m. If we get a report prior to then I'll move the date up.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counsel, we will let you look at that. Maybe we can, what we'll do is we'll just make copies of it
Thank you.
Send it to you.
So what has happened is.
Thank you. Sir, in the lines, what's your name?
Austin Douglas Smith.
Are you on the docket?
That's my attorney right there. She said I was at 9, but now I'm at 11.
Okay, you're at 11?
Yeah, I was
All right, I'm getting messages that you're causing problems in our hallway out there.
oh, sorry. I didn't even know. Was I doing wrong?
Pardon?
Sorry, I didn't know I was doing wrong. Sorry, Your Honor. I just have a court case that I was on. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. I was listening to music.
Okay, I don't want any trouble. Anybody tells you to do something, you better follow their instructions. Otherwise, we're gonna have a real difficult time at 11.
Yes, sir. 11. So you'll be come back in or stay in here.
Wherever you're gonna behave, you can stay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Court is standing in recess.
All right.
That you
Right out of the gate, pure chaos. This is the kind of moment judges hate, emotional outbursts before proceedings even begin. But here's the key question. Was this panic or a sign of something deeper, like incompetence to stand trial? Let me know. How would you react in this situation?
operated an unregistered vehicle. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's a misdemeanor, also punishable by up to 90 days, $100 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir? Yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
Okay, so what are you going to do in this case?
I was looking to dismiss both of them.
Yeah, I'm sure you were. How do you think that's going to happen?
I'm not sure.
Who might know how that might happen?
My mom. I don't.
So, how old are you, young lady?
21.
You in school?
Yes.
Where? I teach there, so I know they're a lot smarter than me right now. So, my question, you want the case dismissed,
Yes.
right?
Sir.
So, who might assist you if that is a possible option in getting it dismissed?
You?
I'm not here to assist anybody.
Oh, attorney?
Oh, wow. I know. Get out. So I now will ask you the question again. Do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there we go. See, that's washed enough. All right. This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate and on behalf of Ms. Gray, Your Honor, we would waive any further reading of the complaint, stand view as my client, or ask for pre-trial date and a PR bond, Your Honor.
Dependent having waived from a reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. First thing I'll do is pre-trial will be set. There's what day?
August 7th.
To August 7th, 2024. 9 a.m. That's the bond in this case. I can set the bond. I'll get this out. I'll set her bond at a $5,000 person over cognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be no use of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And young lady, what are you studying to be?
Major in sports management, minor in physical therapist.
Ah, really? That's what you really want to be when you grow up?
Yes.
Really?
I love sports.
So why you want to do all that? You can just first till you need to about.
Cause I break too many bones. So why not be a physical
What kind of
therapist?
sport are you playing?
Basketball.
And breaking bones?
Yes, I broke my hip, my pinky. I get physical. You gotta get physical on the court.
I get it. So you broke all that.
Yeah,
What position?
a point guard, shooting guard.
Yeah. How are you a guard breaking up? Never mind.
When you
No,
drive,
I don't
consider-
even want.
when you drive, there's like 6-foot girls. I gotta get to the basket.
Okay, I mean, I get that. Flipping a pinky?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Just mark the file, our little guard. That's what we'll. All right, we'll see you on August 7th. Who's that with you?
My mom.
Did she really break all that? Wow, causing the family problems because you're breaking bones.
Yeah.
Were the points worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're right. They were. Okay. Okay, take care.
Thank you.
Do you admit responsibility to the fact that on or about June 16, 2024, Clark Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes,
All right, court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can you pay that?
I'm on a fixed income right now, so I won't have any money until August the 3rd. And I'll try to pay it before then.
All right.
Your Honor, I am so sorry. I admit my foot just slipped off the pedal. I was already, stopped at the light in front of the car. And I looked down because my boyfriend was in the hospital and I'm trying to sneak up there in his vehicle, unknowing where I'm at. I've never been to Ypsilanti in my life. And I was just trying to get up there to surprise him for Father's Day. However, my foot slipped. I'm not used to driving his vehicle, but I did that day because he left it in my presence. So I do admit that I did barely even bang this man's car. I was crying. I was upset. I was truly upset.
And Ms. Runner?
Yes.
Okay, I believe you on all of that. Ma'am,
Thank
you receive SSI?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how much is that a month, ma'am?
117 a month, 1,017 a month. But I also have my lights, gas, my phone bill, my groceries, all of that to buy everything, and I'm just battling cancer, pancreatic cancer. I made it through by the grace of God. Have mercy, Lord. Thank you. But, Your Honor, I'm truly sorry.
All right, Ms.
I've never
Runner?
been in a car accident before in my life.
Okay, Ms. Runner,
Yes.
here's what I'm gonna do. Fines and costs of $180. I'm gonna waive that entire balance, ma'am. You
Thank
go
you.
and take it. All right,